What if your phone could respond to a gentle tap on the back? No buttons, no screen? What if a smart ring could trigger memories with a single touch? Welcome to the future of interaction. This is Nubbin Technology, and it could change everything about how we use devices. Nubbin Technology refers to tiny micro-interactive nodes, or nubbins, embedded directly into devices. These nubbins detect touch, pressure, gestures, even proximity, all without traditional screens or buttons. Each nubbin acts like a mini processor and sensor. Instead of sending data to a central hub, they process touch right where you tap, instantly. That means lightning-fast reactions, smarter personalization, and longer battery life. Imagine squeezing the side of your phone to mute a call, or tapping the corner to launch your favorite app. With Nubbin Tech, your device becomes aware of you and how you use it. Smart rings, fitness bands, AR glasses, nubbins let these wearables stay sleek while adding powerful gesture controls. Even smart fridges and mirrors could respond with just a touch. No clunky interfaces needed. But Nubbin Tech isn't just about function, it's also emotional. Tap a certain spot on your ring and instantly relive a birthday video. Touch your phone and a memory unfolds in the cloud. Your devices could become memory portals. No, the Nubbin chip from Black Mirror isn't real, but the idea of intelligent touch points? Very real, and already emerging in today's smart tech. Phones like the Pixel, Apple's 3D Touch, Sony's adaptive controllers, they're all early glimpses of what Nubbin Technology could become. Nubbin Tech could reduce screen time, save power, and make devices feel more human. It's the future of seamless interaction, where the interface disappears and the experience feels magical. The Nubbin revolution may be just beginning, and it might quietly reshape how we play, communicate, and remember.